Hi guys, welcome back, and look, the outdoor kitchen is ready. I am so excited to share this video with you. Finally, I am looking forward to spring and summer, enjoying the outdoors with this beautiful kitchen. So let's jump right into today's video. So let's rewind back, and I want to show you some of the items that I ordered. I ordered a soap dispenser, and I'm struggling to get this done with one hand because I was holding the camera in my other hand. But here it is. Look how pretty. I recently updated my kitchen inside with the soap dispenser, and it's worth the $40. You guys, it's amazing. It does the work. Like, okay. Then I also got a pop-up outlet. That's one of the things that I wanted for the kitchen island. And I got all of this stuff on Amazon. One of my must-haves for my outdoor kitchen was definitely an ice maker, and my friends at New Air were nice enough to send me one. If you're not familiar with them, they have wine and beverage fridges, ice makers, compact appliances, and so much more, you guys. For my outdoor kitchen, I went with the New Air under counter ice maker, and you guys, this gives you 80 pounds of nugget ice a day. I cannot wait for the summer days to be sipping on my drinks with my ice. I love that New Air package their products so well to avoid any damage, and this is how the ice maker looks inside. It comes with everything you're gonna need. You see, I'm here removing the film, which I love that it comes with that because it protects the styling still on the product. At this point, they were adding the final details to the kitchen. As you can see, they were adding the paneling, then they started working on the privacy, semi-privacy wall behind the barbecue area. So after they were done with the wall here behind the barbecue area, they went ahead and finished installing all the appliances. So here it is, my little ice maker, which I am so excited for it. And he did say that it was extremely easy to install. As you can see, he's adding the water connection there, and it comes with everything you need. The drainage tube is also in there. So connecting this thing was a breeze. Guys, don't forget to check the description box. I will be linking the ice maker and all of the items that I use here for my outdoor kitchen, and also my New Air discount code. Guys, this is the final product. This is how the pergola looks now with the outdoor kitchen. I'm very happy with the results. The company did an amazing job. They did this kitchen in 4 days, you guys. It was amazing. Look at all of my appliances here. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Of course, I am obsessed with my newer ice nugget maker because you know I'm an ice girl. So here's how everything looked inside after it was installed. So it comes with 2 compartments for the ice and also a little spoon for you to take out your ice. And look, it made ice so quick, you guys. Reuse my old New Air fridge because it works good and it's commercial grade, you guys. I've been having this thing for 2 years and it still works great. On this side of the kitchen island, we did a pull-out trash bin. Another item that I wanted on my outdoor kitchen was some storage. So we got these drawers and they come with lights at night. They light up super deep, so it's perfect. And then we got this burner, which is called a power burner by Blaze. When I tell you, I cannot wait to use this thing. It has really good reviews. So for the grill, we also went with Blaze. The doors that you see in our outdoor kitchen are also from the brand Blaze. This has really good reviews and it will last, and it comes with 10-year warranty. It's expensive, but it's worth it, trust me. And look, we have light on the barbecue now. How amazing is that? Look at how much storage I have. I'm gonna be organizing this thing with my outdoor plates and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for that video. I also got this faucet from Amazon. It's like a prep sink and the wood is down there. But yeah, plenty of storage, you guys. Guys, I would say for today's video, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this outdoor kitchen. I am so happy with it. I love every single detail and everything that I showed. It's exactly what we needed for our family, and I am ready to host and entertain in this space now. So stay tuned because I'm going to be organizing the space, getting some bar stools, and of course cleaning this backyard and getting all my furniture back in here.